Growing up in a boy's body, I never felt like I belonged. I remember the countless nights crying because I wasn't who I wanted to be. My name is Carla Cassandra. I'm a content creator at Sephora. You may have seen me on our Instagram stories or even some of our IGTVs. Growing up was difficult. It was hard to vocalize that to my family. By the time I was 18, I was over it. I didn't feel happy with who I was. I didn't feel like I was being authentic to myself. I was as authentic as I could be under the circumstances that I had. And I think my family was just waiting for me to say something like, oh, I'm gay. That wasn't how I felt I was. And I remember telling my girlfriends, they were the first ones that I went to, and I said to them, I don't feel like a boy. I don't feel like this is the life for me.
I met Carla when we were a freshman in high school.
We're Carla's best friends.
My first interaction, I was like, who is that kid? I introduced myself. I was like, hi, I'm Samantha. I just moved here. And Carla, which, Mikey at that time, like, I'm Mikey with 2 E's. And I was like, you know what? It was friendship at first sight. Carla is definitely the real definition of through thick and thin.
Unconditional love, for sure.
Unconditional love. She's been there for both of us, for our whole group. She's been the strong one.
Mm-hmm. She is literally like our foundation when it comes through thick and thin.
The beauty of having supportive girlfriends, strong women, is that they don't judge you. They don't make you feel any different than the person you are. And they said to me, like, how can we help? And I tried on their dresses, we curled my hair with their curling irons, and I looked terrible, but we were like, you are killing it. After that night, I remember telling them, there's no going back. They have taught me so much more about being a woman than I could have ever thought. And not just about how you present yourself, not about what your hair looks like or how you do your makeup. It's how you are on the inside, how your spirit fights.
Literally, she's the embodiment of a woman.
And she's so brave. She's very brave. And if I could be that way, man, yes.